Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the therapeutic law of nature which has been stated in the aphorism number 26. The statement in this it is a weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished in the living organism by a stronger one whilst differing in its kind with very similar sufferings to the former one. As we have seen previously about the disease, about the health, how the disease it is coming there, that we have studied. And as the disease it is a dynamic affection in the human beings, in the working of homeopathic medicines for the cure of natural diseases in the human being, that we are going to discuss in the therapeutic law of nature. Why we are studying this therapeutic law of nature? The homeopathic medicines, they are going to act on the similia similibus curantur, and beyond that the process of curing, how it is conducted, it has been explained in this aphorism. So this process of curing, it depends on this therapeutic law of nature, and in this therapeutic law of nature Dr. Samuel Hahnemann has demonstrated about the process how the homeopathic medicines they are going to cure the natural disease in the human being. We will see the therapeutic law of nature, a weaker dynamic affection. A weaker dynamic affection, it is a disease. How it is going to be cured permanently in the human beings, that is the permanently extinguished in the living organism. A weaker dynamic affection, as it is a disease condition, how it will be cured permanently in the living organism. So this weaker dynamic affection, it is going to be extinguished permanently by a stronger one whilst differing in its kind. This stronger one, it is the medicinal actions which we are going to administer in the deceased person. So this disease, which we call as a dynamic affection, we are going to cure with the help of homeopathic medicines, and these homeopathic medicines, they are stronger, which are whilst differing in their kind, and the most important thing it is they are very similar to the former one. They are very similar to the former one means these homeopathic medicines, they are very similar to the previous dynamic affection, that is the former one. Now we will see again, a weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished by a stronger one whilst differing in its kind, which are very similar in its manifestation to the former one. As the disease it is a dynamic affection, according to the law of similia, it must have to be treated with the similar dynamic affection, and that similar dynamic affection we are using in the form of homeopathic medicines. According to this law, when you are going to treat any patient, you are going to consider the disease totality in that patient. That disease totality you are going to consider for the selection of similarity, and here are the presence of two dynamic affections. As these are the two dynamic affections present in front of you, the first dynamic affection, which we are calling as a disease, it is a weaker than the medicinal manifestation. Consider it is a disease, and you are going to treat this disease with the help of another dynamic affection. When you are going to administer medicine, it is slightly stronger than the previous one. When this medicinal manifestation, when this dynamic manifestation, it has been administered in the deceased person, it is matched with similarity, and according to this similia, the medicinal manifestation they will be administered in the deceased person. When these two things they have been conducted in your curing process, at that time this dynamic affection, it is a stronger one, and this stronger dynamic affection, it is going to remove this weaker dynamic affection. It has been explained in this aphorism. And as this is the process of conducting the cure in the organism, you are going to consider the therapeutic law of nature with the help of similia similibus curantur. And in the footnote of this aphorism number 26, the another examples which has been explained by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, which are seen in the nature, that you can study, as the light of candle, it is brighten in the night, but the same light of candle, it is in a weaker intensity in the sunlight. Means when the sunlight it is there, in front of the sunlight, the candle light, it is a weaker manifestation. So as compared to these two things, the weaker dynamic affection, it is permanently extinguished in the living organism by a stronger one, whilst differing its kind with very similar suffering to the former one. That is about the therapeutic law of nature. Thank you.